Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Trendy Tadka. I am Rebecca, originally from Odisha and currently walking in Mumbai. Today I am sharing my beginner friendly leg and love handle home workout using just a pair of dumbbells. If you are just starting your fitness journey, this workout is simple, effective and easy to follow. Well, as you all guys aware that currently I am on my fitness journey as I prepare for my upcoming wedding and I'm excited to have you join me. So without wasting any time, let's start with a quick warm up. So before we begin, I wanted to share something personal. Growing up in a Odia family and watching classic 90s Odia movie, I always saw strong women who worked hard, stayed consistent, and never gave up. Those stories inspired me from a young age. So, well, today I am proud of where I am because I learned the importance of the becoming independent, confident, and believing in myself. Fitness has become a part of the journey, not to look good, but to feel stronger, healthier, and more confident every single day. So grab your dumbbells, stay hydrated, and let's crush the workout together. Well, my first workout will be in and out squat, as you can see in the video how I'm going to do. Stand with your feet together while holding a pair of dumbbell or as it is you can see. Step your feet out into a wide squat, keeping your chest up, core engaged and knee in line with your toes. Push through your heel to stand up, then step your feet back together. Keep your movement control, breathe steadily and focus on maintaining good form instead of rushing. This exercise is great for targeting your squat, glutes, inner thighs and improving your lower body strength. For first time if you are doing, you can do 10 repetition, take a break and do more 10 repetition. Move to the next part with the next exercise which is using a pair of dumbbell and do squats. Well, hold a dumbbell in each hand by your sides. For the first time you can use 1 kg of dumbbell which I am doing. Engage your core and lower your hips until your thighs are nearly parallel to the floor. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Well, because of my weight, I can't go down much, but still, I will manage to how much I can go further. Remember to keep your back straight and your knees tracking over your toes throughout the movement. Focus on slow, controlled reps to build strength and improve your form. Now let's move on to the love handle workout. This exercise are designed to strengthen your core and target your obliques. The muscles along the sides of your waist, remember spot reduction isn't possible, but combining this exercise with a balanced diet and a regular workout can help you build a stronger, more defined core over time. Each exercise you can do for 10 repetition tries. Gradually, you can increase as per your consistency and your strength. Don't do over if it hurts. Listen to your body and don't push yourself if you feel pain. If it starts to hurt, stop and take a break. Do only as many reps as you can with good form. As you get stronger, you will gradually be able to do more when you do consistently every single day. I'm not stretching my body too much right now because of my current weight. I'm focusing on moving with my comfort level and maintaining proper form. As I get stronger and more flexible, I will gradually increase my range of motion. As you can guys also do the same. Also make sure to eat clean. I know it's not always easy, especially with busy work schedule and cravings. Trust me, I'm a lazy corporate girl too. And now it's the rainy season, which makes it even harder to resist comfort food. But I'm trying. You can too. You don't have to be perfect. Just make better choice whenever you can. Small consistent changes will take you much further than trying to be perfect for a few days. Right now I'm 33 years old and balancing PG life, a full-time corporate job, cooking, working out and making healthier food choice isn't easy. Some days feel overwhelming, but I'm doing the best I can do. One day at a time, I don't aim for perfection, I just try to stay consistent. Even small efforts add up over time. If you are also juggling work and life, know that you are not alone. Just do what you can with the time and energy you have and keep showing up for yourself. That's what really matters. Little flex is really appreciated by myself. Huh? I keep on checking my progress. It's make me more comfortable, more inspiring to do more. Now you can see my fiance have called me to check on what I'm doing, and yeah, this is his everyday routine that he used to call me every single day. And this is the breakfast which I'm going to have, which is spinach egg omelette with two slices of bread. One thing, I don't use egg yolk, so I only use egg white. It's very delicious. I can't skip my tea, so I'm reducing the quantity of the tea. Well, this is for the day. Stay tuned till then. Bye bye.